Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by parking safely and opening the hood. This gives you access and reduces risk. Once the battery negative is disconnected, you'll avoid accidental shorts while working. Now remove any trim, pushpins, or bolts that block the headlight. Use a trim tool or 10 mm socket. Take care with plastic clips. If one breaks, replace it to maintain fit. You're setting up a clean, safe workspace so the rest of the swap goes smoothly. Once the assembly is free, unplug the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling gently. This prevents damage to the wiring. Release the retaining clip and remove the bulb straight out to avoid snagging the socket. When inserting the new bulb, handle the base only. Finger oils will shorten the lamp life, so use gloves or a clean cloth. Secure the clip, reconnect the harness, and make sure the bulb sits flush so beam aim and sealing remain correct. You finish by reinstalling trim and fasteners, then reconnect the negative battery terminal so systems power up. Next, test low and high beams along with turn signals to confirm operation. Make sure the beam pattern looks even on a wall at 25 feet and adjust aim if necessary. If the bulb flickers or won't light, inspect the fuse, clean the connector for corrosion, and verify the ground connection. These common issues are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.